Class 9. Today we are going to see algebraic identities. What is the identities? Identities we have already studied in the 6th, from the standard 6th to 8. So algebraic. Here identity remains that equality of the true, right? Identity is a equality that remains true for both LHS equal to RHS when you apply what value in that particular identity. Let's recall the early identities what we have learned. That is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is the identity, right? Then when we apply for the value of a and b, whatever the value, then always the LHS equal to RHS. That is the identity. That is equality, right? Then a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Suppose I want to apply the value of a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 square. In RHS side we have 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 2 plus 2 square. 3 square is 9. Here we have 1 square is nothing but 1. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 2 square is 4. So sum of this number is equal to 9. So hence LHS equal to RHS. That is the equality condition for the identities, algebraic identities, whatever the identities, right? Next we see that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This all are we have already studied in our lower classes, right? Then x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus of a plus b into x plus ab. Here if you forget the formula means it is very easy to find out the value. It is a binomial into binomial. If you multiple this term, we get the formula, right? Binomial into binomial form, we get the RHS sets. And then deduced identity like that we have studied in 8th standard. Let's see the deduced identity, that is if you want to find that a square plus b square is equal to, we have the form a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or a square plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab, right? It is equal term. Then the third one, a square plus 1 by a square is equal to a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2. Here the same formula can be written as negative value. If it is a square plus 1 by a square means, right, when I put a minus 1 by a whole square outside, we get plus 2. These are the formulas, reduced identities we have studied in our lower classes. Now see, here we see there expansion of the trinomial, that is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to, we have the form that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. It is the expansion of trinomial. Here we have three terms. Three terms is called trinomial, right? So a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is the formula. Here the three terms x plus a, x plus b, x plus c is equal to, we have the form x cube. It is simply we can multiple by binomial into binomial, and then the result will be multiple with another term. You get this value, that is x cube plus of a plus b plus c into x square plus of ab plus bc plus ca into x. Here I write properly here. Just forgot to put this. I write here properly x cube plus of a plus b plus c into x square plus of ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc, because it is not continued, right? That's why I write it here. So this is the formula for x plus a plus x plus b plus x plus c, right? See here, just before I told you we can multiple the binomial into binomial, we can be able to find the RHS side. Here x into x and then x into b. X into x is x square plus xb or bx, and then this term is multiple with a and this term is multiple with b also, plus x into b is xb or sorry, a into x is ax or xa, plus a into b is ab. Now here we have the common term, x will be taken out commonly, means we have a plus b, b plus a or a plus b, both are same, right? Plus x plus ab. So now this is the RHS set. In this format we can able to find the RHS value. See here all the terms, that is a plus b whole square, means we can write it in the form of a plus b into a plus b, then multiple the binomial into binomial, we get the value a square plus 2ab plus b square. By this value, by this term, we can able to find the values, that is the RHS identities. Next we see that x plus y whole cube, x plus, that is a plus b whole square we have find out, right? Now here x plus y whole cube, this term can be write in the form, that is x plus y whole cube, means we can write in the form of x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. By that formula we can able to find binomial into binomial multiplication, we can able to find the value like this, that is x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. If you multiply this, right, and then the remainder answer should be multiple with this term, we get the RHS side. Let's see the RHS side directly. So x plus y whole cube formula is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. This is the form, or otherwise this can be written as, taken as commonly, that is x cube plus y cube plus, here we have in these two terms we have 3xy is the common term. If I take 3xy commonly, here we have additionally 1x, here we have additionally 1y, x plus y. Either we can use this format or this format, and then x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube, and then it is alternately plus minus plus minus plus minus, right? So minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. This term can be write like this, x cube minus y cube, or otherwise, right? Here we have 3xy is the common term. In this term I take minus 3xy commonly outside. Here we have minus 3xy commonly outside, means here we have plus symbol, so you have to change the symbol minus, that is x minus y. When we multiply this, minus into plus, minus 3xy into x means 3x square y, minus into minus, plus 3xy into y means 3xy square. That is the form. Either we can use either or the formula. Next we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, we have the formula x plus y plus z into x square y square z square minus xy minus yz minus zx or xz. This is the formula for x cube plus y cube plus z cube. In here, if this term becomes 0, here x plus y plus z equal to 0 means the whole term becomes 0, right? 0 into any number is becomes 0. Here we have the form x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to, I take this minus 3xy to another side, we get 3xyz. Next we see that a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 times of a square plus b square, and then a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b, and then the same term, here we have negative symbol, means we get a plus b whole power 2 minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4 times of ab. Here we have plus, here we have minus symbol, right? Then a power 6 minus b power 6 is equal to a plus b into a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square into a square plus ab plus b square. These all are the algebraic identities. All the identities are very important identities, important formulas, right? So please by heart this. It is very important to apply it in the problems. Thank you, students.